A very pleasant and lovely morning to all my dear students. Children, this is second period for GK and I hope that you all must be ready with your GK books. Isn't it? So children, today we are going to do new pages, that is page number 51, 52 and 53. Okay? These pages are related with sports and games only. Okay? So, open your book, page number 51. First of all, we will do page number 51, then 52 and 53. They are connected with each other. Okay? So, open page number 51. I am sharing my screen with you all and we will do page number 51 first. Okay? Now children, muscle mania. What is muscle mania? Children, muscle mania is world's premier natural bodybuilding organization. Okay, it means it is one of the natural bodybuilding competition जिसे बोलते हैं. Okay, so muscle mania is world's premier natural bodybuilding organization with physique, fitness, sports, मीन स्पोर्ट्स मॉडल जो होते हैं, मॉडलिंग जो करते हैं. ओके, एंड मीन्स नेचुरल बॉडी बिल्डिंग कॉम्पिटिशन. सो इट्स अ नेचुरल बॉडी बिल्डिंग कॉम्पिटिशन एक तरह से ये है. ओके, एंड इट इज वन मीन्स इट इज द बिगेस्ट नेचुरल बॉडी बिल्डिंग कॉम्पिटिशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. ये वर्ल्ड का मीन्स इट इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट बॉडी बिल्डिंग कॉम्पिटिशन. ओके, so there are two branches of muscle mania. Okay, that is two branches of this competition. Okay, one is muscle mania's world championship, that is which is open to all the natural bodybuilding builders. Means this championship is open for all the bodybuilders. And the other one is, that is Muscle Mania America. Okay, so muscle mania is means bodybuilding championship, natural bodybuilding championship. Okay, now here what you have to do, classify the points listed below under the correct sports. List the common points in the overlapping areas. Means here three headings are given: boxing, both and wrestling. Means both includes boxing and wrestling. Okay, and dashes are given. You have to write these points which is related with which, means either which of this point is related with boxing and which is related with wrestling, and which points are related with both. Okay children, I will be writing here on means in this boxes only. I'll tell you which point is related with which sports. Okay, and you will write in that means column in the dashes. Okay, now the first one, that is combat sport. Now this combat sport you will write in both. Okay, means like this. I am writing here. B-O-T-H, both. Means you have to write this combat sport in this column, in the middle column. Since very less space is over here, so means I am not writing over here. I am giving you the headings in this box only. Okay, and you will write the headings over here. Okay, so this point will come under which column? Both column. Means combat sport is actually, it is a competitive contact sport. Okay, which usually involves 1-by-1 combat. Okay, now the second one, aim is to knock out the opponent. This is related with boxing. Okay, this is related with boxing. Okay, means you will write this in the column where boxing is written, in this column. Okay. Now children, knockout means a hit, a hard hit that causes somebody to become unconscious. Okay. Or he or she is unable to get up again for a while. Means knockout means to hit somebody hard. Okay. Hard, so that the person becomes unconscious and is not able to get up for a while. Okay. Now coming to the third one, involves throws, takedowns and joint locks. Now children, here this means this will come under wrestling. WRESTLING, wrestling column. Okay, you will write this third point in the wrestling column. Okay. And children, means this takedown means it's to bring down, means to bring down the ground, means opponent to the ground. Okay. Takedown means to bring down. Throws and takedown means to bring the opponent person, means to the person who is on the other side, on the opponent team, to the ground. Okay. Means these are all these three, throws, takedowns, joint locks, all these three are different, means techniques that are used in wrestling. Means अलग अलग तरह की techniques हैं which is used in wrestling in order to bring down the person, means the opponent person, to the ground. Means जो opponent person जो हमारे दूसरे साइड से खेल रहा है उसको जमीन पे गिराना. So these techniques are being used. Throws, takedowns, joint locks, ये different तरह की techniques हैं जो wrestling में use की जाती हैं दूसरे person, means opponent person को जमीन में गिराने के लिए. Okay. Now coming to the fourth one, that is involves body tackling and grappling. Now this is related with wrestling. WRESTLING, wrestling. Okay. Now means this fourth point also you will write in the wrestling column. Okay. Now this means involves body tackling. Tackling means to make an effort to deal with a difficult situation. Means किसी difficult situation से कैसे tackle करना है, that is called tackling. Okay. और grappling मतलब होता है to get hold of somebody or something. मतलब किसी चीज़ को किसी person को जो है hold करना, पकड़ना, that is called grappling. Okay. So this involves body tackling and grappling. This is means this point comes under wrestling. Okay. Now the fifth one, that is two broad types, that is internationally recognized and folk style. This is also used in wrestling. Okay. Wrestling means these are primary styles of wrestling. Different तरह की जो styles होती हैं wrestling में, जो अलग अलग तरह की styles use होती हैं. Okay. That is this internationally recognized and folk styles. These are different styles of wrestling. Okay. And folk style को एक और नाम भी है, means other name which is called, that is collegiate. Okay. फोक स्टाइल को हम कॉलेजिएट भी बोलते हैं. मीन्स इट इज़ ट्रेडिशनल फॉर्म ऑफ रेसलिंग. ये एक पुराने समय में जो रेसलिंग होती थी ये उसका एक फॉर्म है. ओके. उसको फोक स्टाइल बोलते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस फिफ्थ पॉइंट ऑल्सो कम्स अंडर रेसलिंग. ओके. नाउ कमिंग टू द सिक्स्थ, मीन्स ग्लव्स एंड माउथ गार्ड आर मैंडेटरी. नाउ दिस कम्स अंडर बॉक्सिंग. ओके. दिस कम्स अंडर boxing. Okay. Now gloves and mouth guard, these both the means these gears are used in boxing. Okay. Both things are used in boxing and it prevents the mouth, and gloves are used to hit the person. Okay. So gloves are worn and mouth guard are used. Means these both the things are mandatory in boxing. Okay, so the person who was fighting in the boxing have to wear these two things necessarily. These are mandatory. Okay, gloves and mouth guard जो मुंह के अंदर लगाते हैं. Okay, in order to protect the jaws. Okay, now coming to the seventh one, headgear used to prevent neck injury. Now this is also used in boxing. Okay, now headgear children, headgear it is a type of padded helmet. एक तरह के ये padded helmet होता है which is worn on head. Okay, by the contestant in boxing. Means जो भी contestant जो boxing में लड़ रहा है, the headgear is worn by this by that person. Okay, एक तरह का ये padded helmet होता है that protects the head as well as it protects the person from the neck injuries. Okay, so this you will write in the boxing column. Okay, now coming to the eighth one, that is takes place inside a ring. Now children, this will come under both. Means both, that means in boxing also the ring is used and wrestling also the ring is used. Means sorry, ring is a type of a square raised platform की तरह होता है. एक square shape में raised platform, ऊंचा platform होता है. Means a space where boxing or wrestling matches takes place, occurs. Means जहाँ एक ऐसी जगह square shape की जगह होती है जो ऊंचे पे होती है और उसमें wrestling और boxing दोनों matches जो हैं वहाँ पे लड़े जाते हैं. These matches are being held over there. These matches occurs on these platforms. Okay, so it is used both in boxing as well as in wrestling. Okay, so that's why this here this point will be written under both column in the middle column. Okay, now coming to the ninth one, that is part of Olympics and Commonwealth game. This also will come in middle column, that is both. Okay, means boxing is also part of Olympic and Commonwealth games and wrestling is also part of ओलंपिक एंड कॉमनवेल्थ गेम. मतलब दोनों गेम्स जो हैं वो ओलंपिक्स में भी हो जाते हैं होते हैं और कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में भी होते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? दे बोथ आर मीन्स पार्ट ऑफ द ओलंपिक एंड कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स. नाउ कमिंग टू द 10th वन, दैट इज फोकसेस ऑन पंचेस एंड हुक्स. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज रिलेटेड विद बॉक्सिंग. ओके, now what are punches? Punches means to hit somebody or something very hard with your closed hand, मतलब मुक्का एक तरह से. That is called punches. So that is being used in boxing only. Okay, boxing में ही आप you close your hand like this and then you hit the other person. So punches are to hit the somebody or something hard with your closed hand. Okay, और hooks क्या होते हैं? Hook is मतलब it is a type of punch. Okay, it is means it is a type of shot inside power punch होता है. Okay, जैसे ऐसे करके मारते हैं. Okay, एक हाथ ऐसे रहता है और ऐसे hit करके मारते हैं. That is called means the fighter's hand जो होता है, जो fighter का जो hand होता है, ये एल्बो जो है ऐसे मुड़ा रहता है. ओके, एंड स्विंग्स फ्रॉम द साइड, ऐसे साइड से इट स्विंग्स. सो इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ शॉट इनसाइड पावर पंच. ओके, नाउ दिस विल बी रिटन, दिस 10th point will be written in boxing column. Okay, now coming to 11th, that is test strength, speed, reflexes and endurance. मीन्स एंड्योरेंस मतलब होता है स्टैमिना. मीन्स द एबिलिटी टू विथस्टैंड द हार्डशिप. आप कितनी मतलब आपके अंदर कितनी कैपेबिलिटी, कितनी एबिलिटी है जो आप उन हार्डशिप मीन्स यू कैन, कितनी उसकी जो यू कैन से दैट आप उस बॉक्सिंग या रेसलिंग में आप कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हो, कितनी एबिलिटी की आप उसकी जो हार्डशिप्स हैं वो बेयर कर सकते हो, यू कैन विथ स्टैंड. ओके. एंड रिफ्लेक्स मीन्स, रिफ्लेक्स मतलब होता है इट इज अ फिजिकल रिस्पॉन्स टू अ फाइटिंग. ओके. मीन्स एन ओपोनेंट पंच, एक तरह से वो आप दूसरे साइड के जो पर्सन ने अगर वो आपको हिट कर रहा है तो आप उसके जवाब में जो है मीन्स जो रिस्पॉन्स दोगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. ओके. दैट इज रिफ्लेक्सिंग मीन्स फिजिकल रिस्पॉन्स टू द फाइटिंग स्टिमुलस. ओके. मीन्स इट इज द मूवमेंट मीन्स इन योर ओपोनेंट टीम. ओके. अगेंस्ट योर ओपोनेंट. जब आपका ओपोनेंट आपको हिट कर रहा है तो आप उसके रिटर्न में क्या जवाब दे रहे हैं, दैट इज रिफ्लेक्स स्टिमुलस. ओके. रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. ओके. नाउ कमिंग टू डू यू नो चिल्ड्रन, इंडियाज मैरी कॉम इज अ 5-time वर्ल्ड अमेचर बॉक्सिंग चैंपियन. मीन्स मैरी कॉम जो है 5 times विनर है वर्ल्ड अमेचर बॉक्सिंग चैंपियन की. मीन्स it is organized by international, means this thing is organized, world amateur boxing championship is organized by international boxing association. Okay. which means it is a sport governing body, एक sport governing body है, that is international boxing association, वो इस चीज़ को organize करता है. Okay. and it is the highest level of competition for the sport. किसी भी sports person के लिए it is the highest level of competition. Okay. now coming to the next page, that is sports talk. Means here what you have to do, there are 3 rectangles given over here. Inside the inner, means in the inner rectangle the names of different sports are given. Okay. now in the middle rectangle small boxes are given there with the picture of the sport person. Okay. and you have to recognize that particular sport. Okay. and then you have to write the number over here. Okay. and in the outside rectangle some different sports gears are given over here. Okay. and you have to recognize with which sport is these sports gears related. किस स्पोर्ट्स से जो है ये स्पोर्ट्स थिंग्स जो हैं रिलेटेड हैं. ओके. ये चीज़ें जो हैं किस स्पोर्ट्स से रिलेटेड, मतलब किससे संबंध रखती हैं, किस स्पोर्ट्स से संबंध रखती हैं ये सब चीज़ें. तो आपको वहाँ पे भी नंबर लिखना है. छोटे छोटे बॉक्स दिए हुए हैं. ओके. इन मिडल रेक्टेंगल एंड इन द आउटर रेक्टेंगल, दोनों में छोटे छोटे बॉक्स एंड यू हैव टू राइट द नंबर्स ओवर देयर. ओके. now coming to the first, means we will start from the top one, means from the middle rectangle. Okay. first we will complete middle rectangle, then the outer rectangle. Okay. अब middle rectangle में हम लोग पहले नंबर यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे, top one से. Okay. now this person, as you can see in the figure, ये किस स्पोर्ट्स से रिलेटेड है. so this is related with ice skating, and here you will write that is number 6. Okay. ice skating किस पे दिया है, number 6 पे. so you will write number 6 over here. now we will move towards the left side, that is what is this, which sport is related over here. that is this picture is related with cycling, so you will write number 7 over here. Okay. that is in this box. now coming to the next downwards, see here, this is related with which sports, this picture is related with which sports, that is number 4, golf से related है. Okay. so you will write number 4 in this box. Okay. now next is this box, it is related with archery. Okay. bows and arrows are used in archery, so it is related with archery, so you will write number 3 over here. now you can see here, as the person is, means this picture is related with that is it is related with surfing. Okay, so you will write number 10 over here in the box. It is related with surfing, so you will write number 10 over here. Now you can see here it is weightlifting. You will write here number 1, okay, in the box. The person is lifting the weight, means barbell. So this is related with weightlifting. This picture is related with weightlifting. Now the next one is the person is diving. Okay, so it is scuba diving, and you will write scuba diving किस नंबर पे है? 8 पे. So you will write number 8 over here. Okay. Now coming to the next, that is means it is related with gymnastic. Okay, so you will write here number 5. This picture is related with gymnastic. Next one is the picture is related with, since the person is holding tennis racket, so this picture is related with tennis. So you will write tennis किस नंबर पे है? 2 नंबर पे. So you will write number 2 over here. Okay. Now coming to the last picture, that is the person is fighting boxing. Okay, the picture is related with boxing, and boxing किस नंबर पे है? 9 पे. So you will write number 9 over here. Okay, in the box. Now this way we have completed this middle rectangle. Now we will move to the outer rectangle, and you have to, outer rectangle में आपको sports gears, different sports gears are given, and you have to recognize with which sport is these sport gears related, किस sport से related है. So we'll start from the top. This is means power lifting gear, that is barbell. तो ये किससे रिलेटेड होता है? ये वेट लिफ्टिंग से. सो वी विल राइट नंबर 1 ओवर हियर. ओके, वेट लिफ्टिंग कहाँ पे है? नंबर 1 पे है. सो वी विल राइट नंबर 1 ओवर हियर. नाउ द सेकेंड वन, दिस इज गोल्फ बॉल. ओके, द स्पोर्ट गियर्स हियर इट इज शोइंग golf ball which is related with golf. So you will write number 4 over here. Okay. Now coming to the next, that is this picture is of target, means archers जिस पे means target करते हैं, takes aim. Okay. So and various circles, concentric circles, points are marked over this target area. Okay. So this is related with archery, and archery is given on number 3. So you will write number 3 over here. Okay. Now coming to next, that is gloves. Now you know that gloves are worn in which sports? Boxing. So you will write number 9 in the box, because the gloves are related with boxing. Okay. Now coming to the next, this picture is of surf, means surfboards हैं ये, और surfboards कब कहाँ किस sports में use होती हैं? It is used in surfing. Okay. So you will write 10, number 10 in the box. Okay. Now coming to this next picture, that is ball, and this is tennis ball. और tennis ball कब use होती हैं? टेनिस में. किस sports में? टेनिस में. So you will write number 2 over here. Okay. Now coming to the next picture, that is means it is, इसको जो है हम लोग pommel horse बोलते हैं. Okay. And this means this instrument gear is being used, this instrument, this equipment is being used in gymnastic. मतलब जो लोग जिम्नास्टिक करते हैं. ओके, तो वो लोग ये इक्विपमेंट यूज करते हैं. ओके. सो यू विल जिम्नास्टिक किस नंबर पे है? 5 पे. सो यू विल राइट नंबर 5 ओवर हियर. ओके. नाउ विच इक्विपमेंट इज गिवन ओवर हियर? दिस इज स्क्यूबा डाइविंग मास्क. ये एक तरह का मास्क है जो कि हम स्क्यूबा डाइविंग में यूज करते हैं. ओके. सो scuba diving is on number 8. So you will write number 8 over here in the box. Now the next picture is of, means this is skates हैं ये. Okay. ice skates, and this is used in ice skating. Our ice skating is given on number 6, so you will write number 6 over here. Okay. Now the last picture, that is also means this is related with, that is means it is related with which sport? Cycling. And this is ओपन फेस हेलमेट. ये एक तरह का हेलमेट है जो साइकिलिंग करते वक्त लोग पहनते हैं. इट इज नोन एज ओपन फेस हेलमेट and it covers the head and face also. Okay, your forehead and all. So it is called open face helmet, and this equipment is used while cycling. Okay, so cycling number 7 में, so you will write number 7 over here. Okay children, now coming to the next, that is now children, current affairs. First question is, who will host the 2023 क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप? कौन सी कंट्री जो है 2023 क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप होस्ट करने वाली, कहाँ पे होने वाला है? एंड द आंसर इज इंडिया. ओके. हैप्पीएस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड 2020 लिस्ट, इंडिया रैंक्स, मीन्स 2020 लिस्ट जो बनी है हैप्पीएस्ट कंट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, इंडिया की क्या रैंक है, क्या पोजीशन है? एंड इंडिया रैंक्स 144th. ओके. विच गैस इज फिल्ड इन बलून्स? बलून्स में कौन सी गैस भरी जाती है? दैट इज हीलियम. ओके. एंड द लास्ट वन इज वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट कैशलेस कंट्री, मीन्स स्वीडन. आंसर है स्वीडन. स्वीडन हैज बिकम द फर्स्ट कैशलेस नेशन. Okay, with an economy that goes 100% digital, means everything is paid digitally. Okay, there is no cash payment. Okay, so children, we have finished all the 3 pages, that is 51, 52 and 53. Okay, now children, we'll meet in the next class with the next pages. Do the work and send the pic on the WhatsApp group. Okay, that you have completed your work. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class. Till then, have a nice day and bye bye.